Four things required for a success journey. In order to begin our journey towards our goal and to become successful, we must have four things. What are these prerequisites to achieve our goal? What are these four things we must require to be successful? The four basic and fundamental things required in order to make a successful journey towards our goal are right kind of mindset, skill set, tool set, and action set. The first one is mindset. What is mindset? It is what keeps our momentum towards the goal. It's what gives enthusiasm, energy, and positivity in our success journey. The second one is skill set. It what help us to build up steps towards the goal. The third one is tool set. It leverage our efforts to achieve the goal faster and better. Fourth one is action set. These make sure that we are on the right track and in right direction. As we advance our journey, we must continuously strengthen these things by recharging, replenishing, and refining. When we reach the goal, we become successful, but success is a comma and not a full stop. Therefore, journey continues for reaching higher goals and to be successful again. And it goes on and on. When we acquire these four things in our journey towards our goal, this thing actually enable creation. Whether creating products or services, creation has value. Value generate money. Money in turn help to strengthen these things again, because success and money give you confidence, enthusiasm, and energy for better mindset. It gives money and time to enhance your skill set. It gives money to acquire more and better tools sets. It gives experience and earning to rewrite new and better action sets. So it enables better products and services. So higher value and more money. This cycle continues with an improvement in each round, so the profit also from it. I help my student community to adopt these four things in their business and they find success. For more details, visit my website www.pradeepkumarkp.com. If you get some value from this content, please subscribe and share. Please let me know your thoughts by commenting below. Thank you very much.